Ehureji erukuza kuhendera no kwiruka haro byo kweza 2007 byo kwa mwendo mwaka ogu yatongozwa umudumizi wa polisi ya Shema akwatanise na mbega byo kwerinda ninga shimwete diso eyibarukuza kukora n'iteni cyeru ya Ankole Western University Kabohe okugura bitara bya sora 200 okubitoma bukubo bya university omungu terukuza mutawoni hamwe no hostels.
A place that has light is a place that is protected. And we as the police of Shema, we are going to work hand in hand with the management of the university and the students to make sure we run for the cause.
University eitukunda mnonga Ankole Western University eriyo netebekanisa marathon age neija kuyamba okuchera mnonga okutereza tahamatara nbendagura amatara ombuteka amatara agakureba ngo imyanya yo netwa identifying anka black spots yagira yayaka
ana beitu nabakozi beitu na community yona area around the university batura omu environment nungi twa enhancing security tabaho akabikona akahika mwana weitu
twagamba na DPC wa Shema yatugambira abunchi betabira umuhureji.
Because security begins with you. Ladies and gentlemen, I cannot be a dead DPC of Shema. I need life first, security for myself, then I do my work as a DPC. Equally to you as a student of our. You cannot be a dead student. You need life.
Hona nabo twagamba n'abeji ba Ankole Western University batugambira ubuzubo barukura mu mwirima na mnonga abana babishiki
tubire turi habuke nke bwire bw'inyumaho mwe umuzikiza amasimu gitu bagiba ubundi bakitegera ko abantu huranga bamutire kiro ahabo butagira maybe security lights amatara
tubire twine kizibu cyo mwirima mu campus around the campus yona tubire twine mu obuzubo mwirima ushanga kitatu yamba okushomanye kiro.
Ehureji neija kuhendera no kwiruka kwa mani okurukuza kuba hebero byo kweza 2007 byo kwa mwendo mwaka 2025 omucishayi cha Shema Stadium Kabohe okurabe ko embirwa Bishop wa Humwire Henry Luke Olombi gasha kwa Michael Twachire.